A Freecash achievement that stays locked usually means the required condition has not been recognized yet. So the first thing to check is the offer requirement and your recorded activity, rather than repeating the same task. By the end, you'll know how to verify the achievement requirement, check whether Freecash recorded your progress, refresh the offer safely, and collect the evidence you need if the achievement still won't unlock. Start by opening the exact Freecash offer connected to the achievement. Read the current requirements shown on the offer page. Don't rely only on the achievement name, because the actual condition may require specific action, milestone, level, or qualifying event. Next, check your Freecash activity or transaction history. Look for the action you completed and confirm whether Freecash recorded it. If the activity appears in your history but the achievement remains locked, the problem may be with the achievement status rather than the original tracking. If your activity isn't recorded, don't immediately repeat the task. First, confirm that you completed the required action exactly as the offer describes. Refresh the Freecash page and reopen the same offer. If you're using the Freecash app, close it completely and reopen it. If you're using a browser, reload the page and sign into the same account again. For game offers, keep the required game installed while you're troubleshooting. Avoid switching accounts, reinstalling the game, or creating another Freecash account just to try the achievement again. Those changes can interfere with the original tracking connection. Also, check the achievement's wording carefully. Some achievements depend on reaching a specific milestone inside the offer, rather than simply spending time in the game or opening the application. If you've completed the required milestone and Freecash still hasn't unlocked the achievement, take screenshots before changing anything. Capture the achievement screen, the offer requirements, your in-game progress if relevant, and your Freecash activity history. These screenshots give you a record of what was completed and what Freecash currently shows. Include them if you need to contact Freecash support. If the activity is missing completely, explain that the qualifying action isn't appearing in your account. If the activity is recorded but the achievement remains locked, explain that the requirement appears complete but the achievement hasn't updated. Don't create a second account to bypass the problem. Keep the original account, offer, and tracking information together so support can investigate the correct activity. The key checks are simple. Verify the requirement, confirm your activity was recorded, refresh the original offer, and preserve screenshots before making major changes. Your next step is to open the original Freecash offer and compare its achievement requirement with the activity already recorded on your account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, achievement guides, and offer troubleshooting.